everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Jen's Crafty Corner, and today I'm going to be opening some more resin beads from Fiona Charms TikTok. Alright, let's get into it. Okay, so they sent me a lot of fishing line because this is going to be a very big haul. So this is freebies. They also give a small toolkit with every purchase. So I have a lot of keychains, some jump rings, and a needle in there. Set that to the side, and first off I have some butterfly beads. These should be pretty cute, so let me open these up. Okay, here we go. These butterfly beads are $18.99 for 150 milliliters, so just enough to give a sample of all of them. And once again, I'm gonna let you know that these have a protective coating on them. So if I remove the protective coating, you will see in the light that it is much shinier and polished looking. Let's see, there's the light. So this one looks dull on this side. This one still has the protective coating on it, and I just took this one off. So you can see it's much more shiny and really pretty. I really love these butterfly beads. Well, let's see what colors we have. Pink, green, purple, white. Oh, that's like a yellow. I'll call that yellow. And a blue. Anything else? No? Alright, so let's move on to the next bead. Okay, so now we have a heart pendant resin disco bead. I call them disco beads because they're multi-cut, but they are so beautiful and light. I can see that there's different colors. I'll call this a green, even though I'm not sure if it's green. So we've got green, clear, pink, orange. Is there a purple? No, I don't see a purple. Well, maybe this is purple. No, this is clear. Alright, so I have 4 different colors in this multi-cut heart pendant, and the hole is drilled vertically. It goes up and down, and they're just so cute. They all have the Aurora coating, the laser coating on them. They're very pretty. I can't wait to use these in something. Okay, so it looks like I bought some galaxy beads here. White galaxy beads. Galaxy because it has a bunch of glitter inside. It also has the Aurora laser coating, but the reason why I wanted it was for spacers in between things like these pendants, and to make really pretty jewelry out of, because they're really shiny. In person they're just beautiful. They look like little soap bubbles. They're really pretty. Okay, so it looks like I got 150 milliliters of each bead. So these heart beads were 150 milliliters for $16.99. These butterflies were $18.99. These galaxy beads, white galaxy beads, 150 milliliters for $11.99, which I really should have bought more because that is super cheap and they're really useful. Okay, I'm gonna just pull these metallic beads out. They look a little cheap upon first inspection, but they are resin, and they're really pretty. So we have gold, we have a pewter, like a black color, a blue, a pink, so we have a light pink, the light pink and the hot pink. We have a purple heart. We have a blue heart. I think she called them chubby hearts. And do we have a gold heart? No. Oh, we have a red heart there. That red. Love it. Looks cute. Okay. Oh, we also have a green heart. Wow. I got a lot of good beads here. Instead of gold, we have like I don't know, a champagne color and a straight silver. Anything else? That pewter color again, but in a heart pendant. And then I also have some balloon dogs in here, so let me get them out. She gave me a lot of them. So a blue balloon dog, a pewter gray balloon dog, and a purple balloon dog. So cute. Love that. Pastel light bulb beads. Okay, so I got 300 milliliters of these pastel light bulb beads, and they were $32.99. I think she said that I could probably get like 3 to 4 products out of 300 milliliters. But that looks like a lot. I'm also seeing like size differences in them. Let's check out the different colors here. So I have a gray, a nice pink kind of mauve color, a salmon or an orange, yeah, we'll say salmon, like a brick orange color, a orange pumpkin color, a blue, a fuchsia, a bright hot pink, almost bordering on red, and I think that might be it. Yeah, I think that's it. So I can notice right away that these two are bigger. Actually, these three are bigger than these three down here. So that's quite interesting. But nonetheless, these are really pretty. Take a look at these. These are called gold foil. No, glitter foil. These are called glitter foil. 150 milliliters of them. And the glitter foil was $15.99 for 150 milliliters. This is something that I would definitely use sparsely, just because I don't have a lot of them and it looks like they are so beautiful. Like, they're very expensive. So I don't know if you all know what Reddit is, but I'm subs to a Reddit called Mini Worlds. And this looks like a mini world inside of there to me. We've got some gold foil. We've got glitter that looks like sand. And we've got 2 diamonds. And it literally looks like a little diorama in there. Some kind of foreign beach that I don't know about. But here's the blue. We've got green, pink, black. Ooh, I really like that black. red, and champagne. That looks really nice. Those are all the colors. Oh my gosh. I should have probably bought more of these, but I'm already swimming in beads already, so I'm glad I had restraint. What's my favorite color? I think my favorite color out of all of these is this blue. That must have been why I picked it up first, because it just looks so luxe and beautiful. Okay, next up is going to be some butterflies. Butterflies. 150 milliliters. Let's take a look at the colors. So we have yellow and orange, pink and kind of a blush, purple and pink, blue and pink, turquoise and hot pink. I think that's it. I don't see any other colors. That's 5 different colors, and they're really, really pretty. Love them. They're all resin beads. They do have a slight shiny coating on them. So this one's definitely laser coated, but I don't think this one is. This one's not. Yeah. These 3 have laser coating, and I don't think these 2 do. Okay, this resin mix is called Fling. This is 300 milliliters, and obviously it is like way more than 300 milliliters. Thank you, Fiona. But I paid $36.99 for that. This is under the beads mix. So I get a ton of different kinds of beads when I buy beads mixes. So let's check these out. So right away I pick up a pave kind of rhinestone studded. The actual bead is white, but the rhinestones are white, blue, and pink. It's really pretty. Color palette. I have a moon. I know, a chubby moon. The drill is horizontal. I have a little candy, like a lifesaver. And the hole is drilled so that you can't really see the hand painting. That's weird. I would want to see this paint. Like they should have painted right here instead of like this. So if we put this next to a bead on a bracelet, I guess it will look okay. Okay. So we have some cream, I think she was calling them cream beads. So they kind of look like a fusion or a gray bluish color, and they are definitely laser coated, like they're really shiny. I have a ice candy bead. This is a lollipop ice candy bead, green and white. There's the hole. Really fancy. Here's a metal bead with like aquamarine gems in it. Really beautiful. I love this mix already. Like the color palette is so beautiful. Here's formerly we bought a mix of these. These are the Bead pendants, and this has like a coating that I can peel off, like the butterflies earlier. Here's another pave style bead with pink and white rhinestones glued all around. really nice. Everything in this mix is amazing. We have a little butterfly, aurora coated, vertical drilled. Here's actually I think they were calling these bling beads. No? I'm not sure. But anyways, it has pearls stuck to it and also rhinestones. So there's the hole. This is breathtaking. This is really, really pretty. I don't know what to do with this, but like gape at it, how pretty it is. Okay, we've got some baby blues. We've also got the same color in heart. And I recognize this kind of heart. I used it before in a necklace. My purple bear, crystal bear necklace, I used a heart just like that. Okay, we have a candy, bunny candy. It's cute, it's got the little wrapper ends. Where's the hole? Oh, okay, the hole is vertical. Up and down where the bunny head is. Look, we've got another bunny candy. It's a green one, green and pink and blue and I guess aurora? Laser coated clear. And a third candy, but this one's hand painted. So this candy has hand painted blue stripes and pink dots. There's the hole. So pretty. There's another moon. Here's a white pendant heart with like a blue and green coating. So if I twist it one way, it looks blue, and if I twist it the other way, it looks green. So cool. Here's a flower. It's a straight up crystal flower. Here's another flower bead, but this one's really delicate. Delicate and small and so cute. It's got a blue center and white petals. And there's the hole. Cute, so cute. And everything in this mix is just like adorable. I feel like I'm in that movie Wreck-It Ralph, where she goes into like the candy land. But yeah, here's an aurora coated clear. Here's a laser coated lollipop bead. Here's an actual lollipop. Oh my gosh, it looks like a peppermint. Oh my god. That is so cute. There's the hole, and it's got laser coating on it, and it's so, I just want to pop it in my mouth. I'm like, this is delicious. Let me eat it. Some more bunny candy. A little bear bead hiding in there. Very cute. He's got the galaxy going on, so he's got glitter in him, and obviously the laser coating. Here's another one of those flowers. Got blue and pink. Here's a... I forgot the shape. I'm gonna look it up and I'll put it below, but it looks like a candy to me, like Gushers candies. But it's definitely got the glitter in it. So it's galaxy. And it's green. It's a really pale green, like a springtime green. Disco bead, matte, no coating, but it is shiny. It's got a few more of those. A pink cream bead I was just calling these cream beads. We've got a star bead, like a rainbow star bead. And it doesn't pick up on camera, but when I turn it, it's like, it's got a really crazy like rainbow pattern on it. There's the hole. Okay, some more of these fling beads, flowers and hearts. These bear pendants, more hearts. Got a handful of crackle beads here. So they're laser coated. Actually, this one isn't. These three are laser coated, and this one looks different. Doesn't have that coating on it. It's quite interesting. Oh, here's something new. So it looks like it's got like a tiger pattern on it, like an animal print bead. But it's something that I've never seen before. I bought animal print beads, but they weren't clear. And they didn't have, well, they did have this laser coating, but they weren't see-through, so there's the hole. It's vertical drilled. Really cute. It's a different color crackle bead. Got pink and blue all the way through. Oh, also got green crackle beads. That's a really cute color combination, is the blue, green, and pink. They know what they're doing there at Fionna's Charms, for sure. Okay, so let's move on. We've got Queen of Hearts here. Okay, this mix is called Queen of Hearts. And it's 300 milliliters. It costs $36.99, the same price as the Spring Fling above it, and the same amount. So let's go through. I'm gonna move this over and grab another basket. I can go through some of these. I've got a bow tie. We've got some of those metallic hearts. We've got gold flowers with the red center. There's the hole right there. It's very interesting. Got a lot of metal beads, like right away. You can see a lot of different metal beads. Okay, so we have black metal beads. I've seen these in a different, I think this was in Cherry Bomb. This is probably also in Cherry Bomb. And these I haven't seen before. These are new. So these have black and white and like a smoky rhinestone in them. Nice. Premium beads for sure. They look great. Okay, so let's go through. A lot of these look like they were in my previous mixes. So I've got some bears that I've bought before. I don't even know if these are beads. What are these? These aren't beads. What is that? I'm gonna have to drill these. It's like little resin bow ties. I don't know what I'll do with these, but they're really light. I don't know what kind of resin they are, but they in the jewelry world, light is cheap, so maybe they're not so expensive. They have a really huge shine on them though. Put those bow ties away. A different kind of black bow tie. More bling beads. So this is what they were calling bling beads when I bought them. Some rainbow. like black rainbow colored lollipop bead. And it has red, white, and rainbow. I don't know, that looks like a flag to me. It's like a German flag. Red, white, and rainbow blue. A red double layer. Metallic heart. Just got a bunch of reds. Okay, I'm gonna speed through these. I've got a black rainbow pumpkin. It's not a fig bead. Actually, it might be a fig bead. Really pretty. This one's even a different shade. It's like a light cherry. Huh. This one has like a gold stripe on it. They're trying to make a Pokeball or something. That's cute. Okay, I have some red metallics. This definitely came from that metallic mix. The exact same beads from the metallic mix that I unboxed earlier. Couple of bears. Some more of those bow ties. Bling bow ties that I'm gonna have to drill. What's this? It's like a steel crackle bead. Double layer crackle bead with a white inside. I have never seen this kind of bead before in my life. It also has the Aurora laser coating on the outside. This is kind of special. I've got a bunch of them. Got a little peach. Double layer peach bead. This is definitely resin. Don't be fooled because it kind of looks glass. There's a hole. Okay, we have just a ton of these small hearts. Small red hearts. And I did take these out of cherry bomb before. So all of these, if you go watch my cherry bomb video, you'll see the same. Like, yeah, I saw these. Anything new? That's new. This is like a blue. A navy blue. And the rest are already shown. I'm gonna move on to the last mix. Okay, last mix here is called Heaven Sent. Heaven Sent. So here's a double layered gusher with white in the middle and the laser coating on top. I have a few of those. I have a galaxy bead, the white galaxy bead that I purchased. A clear Aurora coated is the whole. I haven't seen this yet. This is just a white pearl. And I guess the hole is wherever you want the hole to be. It's interesting. I think this is made of smaller pearl beads. It's kind of cute. It's another one. There's a metal spacer. This is a fig bead with Aurora coating, but there's actually gold foil inside. That's a gold foil one. A star galaxy. A wrinkle bead with laser coating. One's new. It's like a wrinkle bead, wrinkle fig bead. It's kind of misshapen. Can you see that? It's like pearl. Have a bunch of disco beads, but they're opaque. They're not clear. Here's the hole on top. They're also galaxy. The aurora coating. Just a pearl bead. We have gold beads in here, quite a lot of them. So I've seen this one before. That came in a different mix. Forgot what it was called. But it's got wrapped gold wire, and inside is a little diamond. This one I've never seen before. It has a diamond inside as well. It's got two spacers, so it's a double spacer. And then this one is a pendant, a dangling pendant with pearls inside. There's a spacer on top. They're actually really special, so I'm gonna separate them. They look like pendants to me. This one I've seen before. Spacer with a diamond in the middle, a gold triangle, a star instead of a heart. This is just a bead. They made a bead out of that gold wire. That's kind of cool. Another flower, another flower. This one's new. Look at that one. It's a star, and it's got a diamond in the middle and a spacer on top. It's cute. Anything else? Alright, this mix is called Heaven Sent. If you want to buy a mix from Fiona, I would recommend you see her packing them on live, because the only reason I bought these is because I knew that they had this stuff in it, because she puts all the pendants and stuff ahead of time, and then you can buy them. Like, she shows them to the camera as she's mixing. So anything else? Oh, I have a little bow. A white bow. Here's the hole. I don't even know what shape that is. There's the hole. It's a double layered, like four cornered bead. Let's show the magnetic ones again. They have spacers on the side, and then they snap together. It's a cool bead. It's metallic. Obviously, it's magnet. Alright, so that was Heaven Sent, and that was my last mix. Thank you for watching, everybody. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. And remember to like and subscribe.